Hi, today I'm in the backyard with a Chameleon F-loop, and on the tripod that holds up the loop is hanging my new portable SWR meter. And I'm going to show you just how easy it is to tune the F-loop with the SWR meter. But first I have to get close enough to be able to see the camera and the meter and the F-loop all at the same time. So while I'm getting situated, you can listen to our friends the cicadas. Now this is the meter. Should focus on it in a second there. And I'm going to turn it on. If I hold it still, maybe it will focus on it. There we go. It is sunlight readable, but it has a backlighted well, which will help. The top line is the frequency, the bottom line is the SWR. So since I want to operate some DX on 20 meters, I'll go to 14.2, and now I'm going to turn the knob on the F-loop until I find the dip. And that should be very nicely tuned. I'm ready to operate on 14.2. Thanks for watching.